All right, guys, let's get down to it and help make you some money. Today's idea is Cirrus Logic, symbol is CRUS. Used to call this bad boy Crusher back in the day. It used to go up every single day. Then we called it Crusher because it absolutely crushed your portfolio. Now you can see from the chart, it's gaining some traction. It usually it lives and dies usually by Apple. And they're right now, in my mind, on a serious roll. The last 4 quarters execution has been amazing. Blowing the street away. Fiscal year estimates for the next fiscal year, which is a March year, have been going higher and higher, and the stock is on the cusp, even though it's made this big move. A lot of times I've mentioned this, and you guys say, well, I've looked at the chart, and it already looks like I'm chasing. Sometimes pull up a 5-year, 10-year, even 20-year chart to get a feel for these, particularly these tech names that have been significantly higher in the past. This name, through 31, in my mind, probably has a pretty easy move to 34, 35. I think it could even go to 38. Obviously, very volatile, but I do like this one a lot. Jim, what do you think?
I'm in favor. I think while there's always risk to having Apple as your biggest customer, and other companies have faced difficulties there, I think they are in good shape. I think the revenue beat was tremendous. I think there was a little bit of a hiccup on people trying to digest the Wolfson acquisition and how much of the revenues came from that acquisition. I think it's noise, and I think this thing goes further, and Apple helps take them there.
Yeah, I love Cirrus Logic. On March 5th, the CEO and president is presenting at the Morgan Stanley Internet Telecom Technology Conference, and I think there are going to be some questions about what do you really do? What's the semiconductor that you really provide to Apple? And so there is some mystery around that. If that's clarified and we understand it's more than just for the microphone of the Apple iPhone.
And that special Apple announcement is March 6th, right?
Yes,
the one that they put out today, the day before, yeah, sort of. That's going to be the big watch news. You follow this one?
We do follow it. We don't own it currently, but certainly improving fundamentals. And from a technical perspective, if you're looking for a medium-term trade, it's looking solid. So there's no reason to not look at it.
I got to break up this little love fest.
Go ahead,
man. Did you not look at the fundamentals? I mean, earnings have been coming down the last couple of years. I mean, earnings are going this way. They're supposed to be going that way. The chart, I can't argue.
You know the theme of the show? Earnings down, stocks up.
Yeah, and so I guess it's working for the market. It's working for this. I think there's better companies in the sector.
You have the perfect leading economic indicator. Watch Apple sales, Apple revenue. That'll tell you where this stock goes.
I think so. All right, guys.